Good morning. My name is Dr. Appaji Goda. So today I am taking that class that numerical methods. Why to study numerical methods or what are the applications of numerical methods? So some problems are difficult to solve analytically. Such a cases we use some other methods only numerical methods. So what are the uses and in each field we have to use numerical methods. So numerical methods you have to use in different field. So that is physics, electronics, mechanical engineering and different field. So already knows how to solve that given equations. So for example, so here one problem is that suppose x square is equal to 4. How to solve this equation? So x square is equal to 4 or x is equal to plus or minus root 4. So that is equal to x is equal to plus or minus 2 be the solution. So this one is analytic method. Analytic method means so directly without using any formula we can use. For example, we will take another example. So here x power of 1.2 minus x power of 1.3 minus x is equal to 0. So this is the one equation. This is the one equation. How to solve this equation? How to find out the solution? Another example. So y into log x, log y is equal to 1. So now what is the value of y? So how to find out the value of y? Or one more example, x into log x is equal to 1. So what is the solution of this equation? See here three equations is there. So these three equations, so how to find out the solution? So these three equation is not possible to find out the solution analytically. Analytically means, so first problem x square is equal to 4 and x is equal to plus or minus 2 be the solution. So we will get that solution analytically. So analytically, but that example second equation, so x power of 1.2 minus x power of 1.3 minus x is equal to 0 or y log y is equal to 1, x log x is equal to 1. So this type of problems is not possible to solve analytically. So then you have to use some other methods only numerical methods. So now we have to discuss about what is initial value problems. What is initial value problem? So IVP means initial value problems. So initial value problems means is given condition y of x naught is equal to y naught is equal to y naught. So what is the meaning of y of x naught means at x is equal to x naught and y is equal to y naught is given. So now we have to solve the equations. So numerical methods for initial value problems. So initial value problems. So first we have to find the solution initial value problems by numerical methods. So first you have to find out the solution of the differential equation. So differential equation means here, so first order differential equation, first order and first degree differential equation. So here differential equation is represented by dy by dx is equal to f of xy. So dy by dx is a differential equation that is equal to f of xy and is given initial condition. So initial condition means y of x naught is equal to y naught. That meaning is what? At x is equal to x naught and y is equal to y naught. So how to solve first order and first degree differential equation? So here different types methods is there. First you have to take in Taylor series. So before going that one Taylor series, so you have to make one note. So already you know sir, dy by dx means that is the first order differential equation you have to represent or first derivative. So first derivative, so that can be written as dy by dx is equal to f of xy, representation f of xy. And also this is same for y dash. So y dash, sometimes you have to use that notation y1. So that meaning is you can use dy by dx is equal to f of xy or that is equal to y dash or that is equal to y1. So this is the representation, same derivative, so you can represent. So first method is Taylor series method. Taylor's series method. So this method you have to use first order and first degree differential equation and with the given initial conditions. So here this is the initial value problem. So and also is given dy by dx is equal to f of xy, and f of xy is equal to y dash or y1. So now we have to take formula. So what is the formula? Here Taylor series, that formula is, so y of x is equal to y of x naught, y of x is equal to y of x naught plus x minus x naught divided by 1 factorial into y dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole square by 2 factorial into y double dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole cube divided by 3 factorial into y triple dash of x naught plus etc. So y of x is equal to y of x naught plus x minus x naught divided by 1 factorial into y dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole square by 2 factorial into y double dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole cube divided by 3 factorial into y triple dash of x naught plus etc. is there. Now we can take one problem. So that problem is, use Taylor series method to find the value of y at x is equal to 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3 considering the terms up to third degree. So what is the given equation? Here given equation is dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square. This is the given equation. So this is the first order and first degree differential equation, and you have to find out the value of y. You have to find out the value of y at the point x is equal to 0.1 and 0.2 and 0.3. So question is, find the value of y at x is equal to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and also you have to consider terms up to third degree. Means you have to write the equation, means Taylor's formula up to third degree. So now what is the first step? So that first step, and also is given here one condition. What is that condition? Condition is y of 0 is equal to 1. So what is the meaning of y of 0 is equal to 1 means, here this is the initial value problem. So initial value problem means here you have to consider y of x naught is equal to y naught. So here x naught in place of what is there? X naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equal to 1. So initially is given that values x naught equals 0 and y naught is equal to 1. So now you have to take this problem. First you have to write formula. What is the formula? Y of x is equal to y of x naught plus x minus x naught divided by 1 factorial into y dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole square by 2 factorial into y double dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole cube by 3 factorial into y double dash of x naught plus etc. is there, is not necessary because this problem is given up to third degree term. So here this problem is given, what is the value for x naught? X naught is 0 is given and y naught is equal to 1 is given. Substitute in this equation, Taylor series equation. So what happened? Taylor series equation, y of x is equal to y of x naught. Y of x naught is equal to, that meaning is y of x naught is equal to y naught. So what is the value of y naught? Is equal to 1. Y of x naught means 1 plus x minus x naught. So x naught is 0. X naught is 0 divided by 1 factorial means 1, and y dash of x naught is equal to, you have to write y dash of 0 plus, here that see that formula, x minus x naught whole square. So x minus x naught is 0, whole square means x square by 2 factorial means 2 into y double dash of x naught. X naught means 0 plus x minus x naught. X naught is 0 whole cube divided by 3 factorial means 6 into y triple dash of x naught means 0. See here, I substituted here y of x is equal to y of x naught means 1, x naught is 0 means y of x naught, y of 0 is equal to 1 plus x into y dash of 0 plus x square by 2 into y double dash of 0 plus x cube by 6 y triple dash of 0. So now you have to find out the value of y dash of 0, y double dash of 0 and y triple dash of 0. These values you have to substitute here. How to find out these values? So here y dash already is given in the equation. See, in that given equation is given dy by dx. So you have to take dy by dx means y dash. So that is equal to x square plus y square. This is the x square plus y square. This is the given equation. So now you have to see here y dash of 0 is there. What is the meaning of y dash of 0? Here y dash of 0. Actually y dash means that is understood y dash of x should be present. So y dash of 0 means that meaning is x is equal to x naught, y is equal to y naught. What is the value for x naught? So x naught is equal to 0 plus y naught means 1 is equal to 1. This is y dash of 0. Next you have to see, we want to y double dash of 0. Y double dash of 0. So now already knows y dash. And how to get y double dash means you have to differentiate once again. So differentiation of x square 2x plus y square 2y into dy by dx into dy by dx, that can be written as y dash. So now we want to y double dash of 0. So now 2 into x naught value is 0. So 2 into 0 plus 2 into y naught is 1 into y dash of 0. Y dash of 0 is 1. So that is equal to 2 into 0, 0 plus 2 into 1 into 1, 2. So next similarly we want to y triple dash. Y triple dash. So that meaning is you have to differentiate once again. So 2x is there, not 2. X becomes 1 plus 2 you have to write outside. Now here y into y dash is present. Now you have to apply product rule. First function y into differentiate of second function. So into differentiate of second function means y dash becomes y double dash plus second function y dash into differentiate of first function y dash. So already one y dash is there, one more y dash, that becomes y dash square. Now we want to y triple dash of 0. So that meaning is 2 plus 2 into, what is the value for y of 0? Y of 0 is 1. And what is the value for y double dash? Is 2 plus y dash square. What is y dash? Is 1. 1 square means 1. So simplify this one. So 2 plus 1 3. 3 into 2 6. So that is equal to 8. So now we got that answer. Y dash of 0 is 1, y double dash of 0 is equal to 2, and y triple dash of 0 is equal to 8. Okay. Now you have to substitute these values in this equation. Which equation? Y of x is equal to 1 plus x into y dash of 0. In this equation you have to substitute. So what happened here? Y of x is equal to 1 plus x you have to write as it is. And what is the value for y dash of 0? Is 1 plus x square by 2. You have to write down as it is, x square by 2. And what is the value for y double dash of 0? Is 2 plus x cube by 6. X cube by 6 into y triple dash of 0. That is equal to 8. Substitute. So now simplify this. So 1 plus x plus 2 becomes cancel, that is equal to x square plus 2 4s and 2 3s, means here 4x cube divided by 3. We'll get one equation, y of x is equal to this one. So now what is our question? In that question only is given, find the value of y at x is equal to 0.1. So that meaning is you have to substitute x is equal to 0.1 in this one. So y of 0.1. So you have to substitute x in place of 0.1. 1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 whole square plus 4 into 0.1 whole cube divided by 3. We simplify, we will get 1.113. So this is answer for y of 0.1. Y of 0.1. Similarly, you want to y of 0.2. So in the same equation, you have to substitute x is equal to 0.2. X is equal to 0.2. So we will get that answer. We simplify 1.2537. Similarly, y of 0.3. Same equation, you have to substitute x is equal to 0.3. So you simplify, we will get 1.426. So this is the solution for this problem. Next we can take one more problem. Second problem. use Taylor series method to solve y dash is equal to x square plus y in the range x greater than 0 or greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0.2 by taking the step size h is equal to 0.1. Given that y is equal to 10 at x is equal to 0 initially, considering the terms up to 4th degree. So this problem is given h value, h is equal to 0.1. So what is the meaning of here? Y is equal to 10, x is equal to 0 initially, means initial value problem. So this can be written as y of 0 is equal to 10. Y of 0 is equal to 10 means x naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equal to 10. So here you have to write here x naught, x1, x naught and h1, x1. So this length or you can write here, this is the step size, h is h you have to write x naught, x1. Similarly we can write x2 also. Here this step size is h. So here one formula is there, x1 that can be written as x naught plus h. So this x1 value you can write x naught plus h. So what is the value for x naught? X naught is equal to 0 and h already is given in the step size 0.1. So that meaning is you will get x1 is equal to 0.1. But this problem, what is the given in the range of 0 to 0.2 is given. So first you have to find out what is the answer for at x is equal to 0.1. So that's why this problem you have to do in two stages. So you have to take first stage, same formula. So what is the same formula means? You have to write y of x is equal to y of x naught plus x minus x naught into y dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole square by 2 factorial into y double dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole cube by 3 factorial into y triple dash of x naught. So but this problem is given 4th degree, but here you have to take up to 3rd degree. So now how to solve? So you have to take here first stage. What is the first stage means? Here that formula is same. So now you have to substitute what is the value for x naught. X naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equal to 10. So substitute here what happened this equation, y of x naught. So y of x naught means y naught. Y naught is equal to 10 plus x minus x naught. X naught value is 0. X by 1 factorial means 1 into y dash of 0 plus x square by 2 factorial means 2. Y double dash of 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial means 6 into y triple dash of 0. So now we have to find out y dash of 0, y double dash of 0, y triple dash of 0. So now we have to find out y dash of 0. What is y dash? Given equation y dash is equal to x square plus y, x square plus y. So now we have to find out y dash of 0. So y dash of 0 means what? So x is equal to x naught, y is equal to y naught. So x naught is 0 and y naught is 10. So that is equal to 10. Next y double dash. Y double dash means second derivative. So x square 2x plus y becomes y dash. So now y double dash of 0. So that is equal to 2 into 0, 0 plus y dash of 0 is 10. So that is equal to 10. So next you have to find out y triple dash. So y triple dash means 2 plus y dash differentiation y double dash. So now y triple dash of 0. So 2 plus y double dash of 0 is answer is 10. That is equal to 12. So this is in first stage. So x1 is equal to x naught plus h. So what is the value for x naught? 0 plus h is in the step size is given. In the step size h is 0.1. So that meaning is x1 is equal to 0.1. So these values, y dash value, y dash of 0 value, y double dash and y triple dash value, you have to substitute in the equation. So y of 0.1 is equal to 10 plus, so at x is equal to 0.1 means here you have to substitute x is equal to 0.1 into y dash of 0. So what is the value of y dash of 0? That is equal to 10 plus x is equal to 0.1 whole square by 2 into y double dash of 0. So y double dash of 0 value is 10 into 10 plus x cube, x is equal to 0.1 whole cube by 6 into y triple dash of 0 is 12. Substitute here. Substitute, we will get this equation. So now we have to solve. We take calculator and solve. We get the solution. So y of 0.1, that answer is 11.052. So we will get that, and first stage at answer is y of 0.1 is equal to 11.05. Now we have to go to that second stage. So in that first stage, what to get that answer? Y of 0.1 is equal to 11.262. So here also you take y of x naught is equal to y naught. So what is the value for x naught? So in this case, here x naught is equal to 0.1. And what is y naught? So y naught is equal to 11.262. So now you have to find out x1. x1 is equal to x naught plus h. So x naught, now x naught becomes 0.1 plus h is 0.1, that is equal to 0.2. So same formula, you have to use the Taylor series formula, and y dash is given equation. Y dash is equal to what? X square plus y, x square plus y. So y dash of, now at x is equal to what? 0.2. So that is equal to, you have to find out at x is equal to, you have to find out the answer at x is equal to 0.2. But here y dash is equal to x square plus y, that is equal to y dash of, so this point x naught, what is the value for x naught? X naught is 0.1. So that is equal to x naught square. X naught is equal to 0.1 whole square plus y naught. Y naught is equal to 11.262. So simplify, we will get 11.062. So similarly, we can find out y double dash. So y double dash is equal to 2x plus y dash. So simplify y double dash of 0.1. So what you get is simplify, we get 11.262. So similarly, we can find out y triple dash. So 2 plus y double dash. Simplify at x is equal to 0.1. Y triple dash of 0.1. We simplify, we get 11.262. So now these values, so y dash value, y double dash value, y triple dash of value, substitute in the Taylor series formula. So in the Taylor series formula, so we will get the solution. You simplify